Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching how to make the grit stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I did already make the grit stitch, so this is going to be how it's going to look. It is only made up of single crochet stitches, so it is a very beginner friendly stitch. If you are starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make an even number of chains. You're then going to make one single crochet into the second stitch from your hook, or second chain, I'm sorry. And then you're going to skip one chain, and then you would begin working the grit stitch, and I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys the grit stitch using this row that I'm currently working. So I'm going to make a single crochet stitch into the first stitch of my row. I'm then going to skip one. I'm going to work into the next stitch, and I'm going to work a grit stitch, which is just 2 single crochets into the same stitch. I'm then going to skip one. I'm going to work the grit stitch here, which is just 2 single crochets into the same stitch. And you would just continue this pattern. You would skip, work 2 single crochet into the next, skip this next stitch, work 2 single crochet into this next one right here, skip this stitch, work 2 single crochets into this next one, skip this stitch, work 2 single crochets into this next stitch, skip this one, work 2 single crochets into the next stitch, skip this one, work 2 single crochets into this next stitch. And then always on your last stitch, you're going to want to make 1 single crochet. The reason being, it's going to keep the sides of your work very even and straight. You would then continue this same pattern on your next row. You would chain 1, you would then make 1 single crochet in your first stitch like you always do, skip, work 2 single crochet into the next, or work a grit stitch. So the grit stitch is only made up of 2 single crochet stitches worked into the same stitch, chain, or space. Okay, that's going to be how to make the grit stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below on future videos or future tutorials that you would like to see. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.